Hello everyone, we are going to study about brick masonry. You can see a structure beautifully made with brick masonry. After watching this presentation, you will be able to define brick masonry, identify the types of mortar, and list the factors affecting the strength of masonry wall. Brick masonry are brick units bonded together with mortar. It requires bricks, mortar. Mortar is nothing but a homogeneous mixture of binding material, sand, and water. Most commonly binding material used nowadays is cement, or which we know as ordinary Portland cement. A layer or a course of bricks are arranged in a specified manner, and these layer or courses are bonded together with mortar to make a brick masonry. Mortar is a mixture of binding material, cement or lime, and sand. Binding material used depend on many factors. Mortar act as a binding material and impart strength to masonry work by holding the individual bricks together to act as a homogeneous mass. Selection of mortar depends upon various factors such as nature of structure, that is whether it is a permanent structure or temporary structure, fund availability, availability of materials, and climatic conditions. Along with these, there are many more factors which governs the selection of mortar. Depending upon the binder used in mortar, mortar may be classified as mud mortar, cement mortar, and lime mortar. Mud mortar, where clay is used as a binding material. It is used for works of temporary nature or where fund limited is a great concern. Cement mortar is used for almost all type of permanent works. Most commonly binding material used nowadays is cement, and it is predominantly used in the construction work for making the mortar. Lime mortar is limited in use at present due to good availability of cement. But one can see that lime mortar is greatly used in the construction of forts in the past. Let's think and write down what are the factors which affect the strength of brick masonry. They are quality of materials, type of mortar, and method of execution. So we can say that strength of brick masonry mainly depends on quality and strength of bricks. Bricks forms maximum volume in a brick masonry. Hence, the quality of bricks are directly going to affect the strength of brick masonry. So one should use good quality bricks in construction of brick masonry walls. Brick having sufficient strength, proper or regular shape, sizes, and properly burnt bricks. Generally, the use of brick bats should be avoided. Type of mortar. After bricks, mortar is an essential and important component in a brick masonry. Mortar will also affect the strength of wall. Example, mud mortar, cement mortar, or lime mortar. Whichever is used will directly affect on the strength of masonry wall. And the method of bonding adopted in construction. Method of bonding includes type of bond selected for masonry work, like an English bond will be having more strength as compared to a Flemish bond for same thickness of a wall. Strength of brick masonry also depends on slenderness ratio of the masonry work. Slenderness ratio is the ratio of longest side to its width. Lateral pressure due to wind. This is calculated during the design or before the design of brick masonry wall. Last but not the least, the degree of soundness in construction. This specifies the overall quality of construction work. We can categorize bricks into two types. Traditional bricks. These are the bricks which are used or in practice in different parts or region of the country. They have different sizes in different regions. Their length may vary between 25 to 21 centimeter, width 13 to 10 centimeter, and height 7.5 centimeter. This creates a problem in analysis or finding out the quantities of the bricks required in construction work. Hence, it creates a problem for estimation. To resolve this issue, IS or Indian Standard Institution came up with a specific size of brick which is known as modular brick. The commonly adopted nominal size of traditional brick is 23 centimeter by 11.4 centimeter by 7.6 centimeter. But this is just a indication. It may vary to any size depending upon the region where it is used. Modular bricks, they are having uniform size throughout the country as specified by the Indian Standard Institution. Their sizes are length 19 centimeter, width 9 centimeter, height 9 centimeter. For calculation purpose, along with the mortar, it is considered as 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. That means we consider a thickness of mortar 10 mm. After this presentation, you are able to define brick masonry, mortar, list factors affecting the strength of brick masonry, and you can differentiate between traditional brick and modular brick. Happy learning!